Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone who watched this video. So we are from group 2 and today we want to discuss about and show you a tutorial how to using Weebly. So the member of group 2 is Pricilla, Cecil, Leander, Rima Chantika, Annisa, Nuansa, Indah, Naulia Nurfadilah, Agest, kholifasari, and the last but not least is Pelangi, Auralea, Andalsya. So we start to how to make a blog with Weebly. So let's start it. The first you need to open your browser. You can choose your browser. I'm using a Google Chrome or Chrome, and then we can search here weebly.com, and you can press the enter button and wait, and the screen will show this view, and then you can click the sign up here and wait a minute. Okay, it will show this one, and then you can you can fill the button, the box with your answer. So I'm skip this one. Wait for minutes. Okay, if done, you can click the continue button. What is? You must all agree. Okay, don't forget to checklist this box and continue. And wait for minutes. Okay, it will show like this one, and you can choose this one. I just need a website, but you can just to if you want to website with an online store, but here I want to make a blog, so I just choose need a website. Okay, here you can see the business portfolio, personal, even blog comings and other. You can choose what you want. I'm choose this one, blog, and then there is have a template or theme that it's free. You can choose and you can edit this one. You can choose all of them. I want to this one. It's simple but elegant. Okay, look, the view is like that. All of this you can change like this one. Okay, it will show like this one, and then you can click start editing. Yeah, all of this we can change and edit like we want. And wait 4 minutes again. Okay, after it you can make your own link address. Yeah, maybe like whatever you want. I'm just writing. Wait 4 minutes. Okay, like this one, and you can click search button and wait 4 minutes. Now, like this one, writingweebly.com, and you can choose this one and then click done and reload editor. Wait 4 minutes again. Okay, look, this the view, and then this is for basic, this is a message, and then for build, and the time, the apps. Okay, wait. This is setting and help, and this is a mobile view or desktop view. Okay, firstly from build, you can change this title which you want. Okay, you can block and you can writing class. It's just first an example, and here you can, this is for home view, you can change like you want. Okay, if you want to button text, read more or up or something like that. Button tail, you can see like this one. Yeah, this color can, you can change this color, and you can change this picture, and you can choose the background like you want. For example, just for example, change image like this one. It's just for example, okay? Okay, in this one you can choose like you want. All of them is not. It seems like the first or the beginning we started. Okay. For the next page is a blog. That is the point. You can change this. You can press this button, new post. Okay, and then you can change the title. Writing. I'm sorry, this is my sister that she's right now. My bad. Okay, next here you can drag the file from your device, maybe it's all you want. You can drag here like this one. Okay, but if you want to have a text here, not a drag file, you can drag this text, wait 4 minutes, and look, you can write here. If you want to make this size a little bit like this one, you can press the minimize button and the biggest button like this one. Okay, if you feel done, you can click pause this one and close. Look, this is your blog, and the community is if you have a community like this one, about, you can edit here, and about the contact you can edit here. And if you feel done, you can click the publish. 4 minutes. Okay, you can share this. Look, website is published. Okay, you can copy this one, or you can share with your Instagram, or maybe Facebook, or maybe Twitter, and some of them, and we can faster the link that we has copied. And look, this is my blog. It's just a sample. This is home, this is blog, this community, no, sorry, this is about, and this is contact, like this one. Okay, maybe that is all from me. I'm so sorry for my bad pronunciation, my bad grammar, my bad writing mechanism. And I hope you guys can catch what I mean, and keep healthy for you guys, and thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.